sort of for an ad. So that's why I'm waiting for them to bring it in. So Dorman Foods is a food company in Ghana that makes the most delicious donuts that you've ever had in your life. Trust me, this is not because I'm coming for the PR package, but I bet you the most favorite thing I like on their menu is the dough burgers. So they know that when I'm coming there for PR, I'm coming for dough burgers. Yes, so they are located at East Legon, and they have 2 locations in East Legon, but it's at the same place. So this one is behind the Doman X Cafe. So if you are looking for a place to get your donuts, your waffles, your East Legon Dorman Foods X Cafe is the best place to be, trust me. So I thought there would be much going on today at Dorman, but apparently there was not much. And so after I picked it up, I quickly went back home and did the stuff that I had to do. Okay, so I just got my PR package from Dorman. So this is the dough burgers. These are my favorite. When these came out, trust me, I would die for these things. So yeah, I just got them, and you guys should please go get yours. Like, you can't go wrong with Dorman. These dough burgers, bruh. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Akis. So today we have date night with the husband. So we are going to, I've forgotten the name of the place, but yes, currently he's at the barbering shop getting his hair cut. So I'll show you guys our outfit, but we are wearing all black today. Yeah. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I really need your subscription, and I really need you to like this video because it helps us a lot. And so yeah, let's get kicking. So our relationship, I want to start this thing called relationship quotes. So our relationship quote for today's video is that too often we underestimate the power of a touch, a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of caring, all of which have the potential to turn a life around. This is by Leo Buscaglia. So right now we are at the Volta Place. This is located after the airport. You can find it on Google Map everywhere, but the restaurant we are going into is on the 5th floor of the Volta Place, and it was such a beautiful restaurant. You guys will see it, but unfortunately we went in the evening. If you go in the afternoon, I'm sure you really have a much better time than we did. So this is me, you know, filming myself, taking pictures at the place, and you know, Fish was so mad because, you know, he just wants to go and eat and relax, and I was on him with the we have to vlog, vlog me. So if you see his face, he was not buying the vlog, but yeah, I did it for you guys. We are going to the 5th floor now, and yeah, that is Fish not buying the vlog idea. Yes. So please, if you are new here, once again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite part of this video. Do well to go visit this place because it's amazing. You will get a bit lost, but always put in Volta Place. Okay, that will help you so very much. So you finally see the name of the place. It is called Quay Terrace. If you put Quay Terrace in Google Map or Uber, you might miss your way. So put in Volta Place. They're on the 5th floor of the Volta Place. So this is the place, so beautiful. The workers there were excellent. They were calm. They were almost closing when we got there, but they had patience for us. It was just amazing. So I recommend this for your date night. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. Okay guys, so we are here at Quay Terrace, as you guys saw in the intro. Apparently they closed at 7 and we got here around 6:20, and so there's no one here literally, it's just us. Fish is at the back there taking videos. So finally our food is here. So I saw their food on Instagram, that's why I forced Fish that let's come to this place. So this is their pork chops and they come with a side. So you have fried rice, you have yam, you have all that. And then if you see my plate, you know that I ended up taking Fish's fried rice because that was so good for me. The chips were good, but Fish is somebody who is more into chips, so I gave him that and then I took his rice. Sorry. So yeah, it was so good. And that was our bill at the end of the day. Fish couldn't eat his pork and all that, but yeah, it cost us 222 cedis for the date night. And Fish wanted to take some pictures with his phone, and so I said to vlog that period. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It's been amazing with you guys. We hope to do this often. So yeah, we are working hard to make money, but we hope to do this often. So thank you, and we'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye.